Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and gathering credentials. This saves time. Power the candidate device, then connect your laptop with Ethernet for a stable interface. Log into its admin page using the default IP and credentials, and change the admin password immediately. Once done, check and note the main router's SSID, encryption type, and channel numbers, because you'll need exact matches for repeater mode. Make sure to set a static IP in the same subnet so you can find the device later. You now pick repeater or range extender mode from the wireless settings. This instructs the unit to bridge rather than create a separate LAN. Scan for the main SSID and enter its password exactly, choosing the same encryption type, WPA2 or WPA3, as the router to maintain compatibility. Then set the repeater's IP to a free address in the router subnet and turn off DHCP so IP conflicts don't occur. Once saved, reboot both devices and wait for the repeater to link to the router. You finish by verifying coverage. Walk to problem areas while checking signal strength and speed at each spot. If speeds are weak, change the wireless channel on the main router or move the repeater slightly closer, 1 to 3 meters, to reduce interference. Make sure you're using 5 GHz for capacity where range allows versus 4 GHz for distance. If the repeater becomes unreachable, perform a factory reset and reconnect via Ethernet. Then update firmware before repeating configuration to fix firmware-related bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.